Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making sweet potato brownies. Hopefully, these brownies will be a better version of the regular brownies that everyone's used to. We're using sweet potato and a peanut butter base. What makes these brownies unique is that they are gluten-free, and you can make them dairy-free if you just substitute the egg with flaxseed egg. Description below. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. Do us a huge favor. If you love the cooking videos and love sampling and tasting and making and baking, click that thumbs up button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you didn't already know, we have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please subscribe. I'm ready to cook. I am always up for dessert. Let's bake.